guys, welcome to episode 50 of In the Shop with CustomLowz. It's a big episode 50, halfway to 100. We're going to be working on the truck again all day today. We got a couple enclosures coming up for sure. I'm just super behind here, so I'm trying very, very hard to catch up on this truck. Besides all the vehicles I got piled up here, I also got a ton of enclosure work to do, so definitely behind, but we're going to get right to work on this truck. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so now. Drop me a like and leave me a comment below. Alright guys, so we're going to be wrapping it up for the night and wrapping it up for this episode. I got the speaker baffle cut, speaker baffle flush mounts cut for the horns, for the tweeters. It is all together in one piece now. It's all glued and stapled together, or nailed together rather. I'm now working, well I just finished up the trim piece that goes on top and that'll hold the grill, so the grill will actually be flush mounted. Did some cutouts on that for the speakers because this is a lot of speaker for a little bit of baffle, so I want to make sure I don't have any issues with hitting the trim ring. I've had the issue before, so I went ahead and preemptively ran some rabbits in there to give me plenty of clearance in that. Other than that, making good progress. Took the truck out yesterday, got that thing washed up. I should have washed it before. I just got so sick of every time I went under it to bolt something down or look at something, I would get a face full of dust, or really dirt rather, but that's about it. We're gonna wrap it up. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys go check out my website for all your car audio needs. I got subwoofers, speaker wires, amplifiers, batteries, everything you guys are going to need. Go check it out. I got great prices. Shipping is always free, and there's a giant selection. Got links in the description below for all the brands and all the stuff I offer. So make sure you guys go check that out. And as well, if you guys can go check out my Patreon link, help support the daily video vlogs, help support everything we're doing here, me filming the episodes, you guys can go check that out. And I want to give a big shout out to my Patreon supporters, Andy Henning, Troy Lawrence, Critical Audio, Jeremy Rogers, Byron Chambliss, Brandon Coles, and Alan Joyner. Thank you guys so much for supporting the page, or supporting the videos rather. And that's about it. I'll see you guys on the next episode.